Go ahead and open this thing and check out what's included inside the box. This is the iCARZONE tablet. So it's like a 10-inch screen, so it's pretty big. You also have a stand right here in the back, so you can, you know, stand it on its own. So you have your Videoscope here. This is another great feature about this tool. It comes with this Videoscope. It's an HD inspection camera. So by the way, on the back of the tablet, you also have a camera back there. So you use this one whenever you have a tight spaces that you need to, you know, look at, or, you know, inside the engine block and all that. So yeah, it comes with these, and then it comes with this bunch of OBD cables right here. It comes with different kinds for different applications. You know, again, it will work on any domestic, European, or Asian vehicles. So it comes with all these connectors right here. So yep, there's another OBD connector. So yeah, there's a bunch of them that you can use. And of course, these are your TPMS sensor. Again, this is programmable, so you can program this to your vehicle and, you know, relearn it to the vehicle. It comes with 4 of these. And this is the iCARZONE OBD-I link. This is the one that you pretty much plug into your OBD port, so you can communicate with the main unit. And here's 2 more of the OBD adapter connectors. And on this one here, it looks like these are all the adapters for the outlet. It comes with different ones. Again, you can, you know, if you're in Europe, Asia, or here in America, you can use all these adapters for the outlet. And of course, you have your USB-C and USB cable, so you can charge the main unit. And of course, looks like you also have a cleaning cloth, so you can clean up the screen. And another great feature about this tool right here, this is a battery test clip. It is a smart tool for vehicle battery, so you can connect this one to your battery terminals. It is connected via Bluetooth, so you can communicate with your main unit. You can test the battery voltage or state of the battery, if it's low or, you know, whatever it may be. So yeah, this is it, and let's go ahead and check the main unit.